Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Take a look around, see what I've got going on. I do a lot of Southern cooking and I think the instructions are pretty clear. And if you're not a member, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Welcome back if you are. Alright, today we are making chicken meatballs. A very healthy alternative. I've already got a pound of the ground chicken. This is what I'm using. It's Perdue. Okay, and you're also going to need some panko, some parm, onion powder, garlic powder, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and they say the olive oil is optional, but it makes them really moist. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my seasoning. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a couple of teaspoons of the onion powder, oops. By the way, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And what I've done is I prepared a couple of sheet pans I've lined with foil. Alright, back to the garlic. I want to add a couple of tablespoons of the olive oil. I'm making extra just to have in the freezer for later, or even maybe for Sunday, which you won't see this. You'll see this after the Super Bowl, but maybe for us to snack on during the Super Bowl. I've beaten up these 2 eggs. They were bad, so I beat them up. I need about a cup of the panko. And a cup of the parm. Now you can use the stuff that comes in a little green can, but I prefer using this. I had found some of the ground chicken on sale a few years ago, and what I like to make with it, I need to do this for a recipe at some point. I like to make chicken parm meatloaf, which is really good. I'm gonna grab me a couple of what are these things? Gloves, because I don't want my hands all yicky. I hope everybody's doing good. We've had a bunch of rain, but it's very cold outside. Alright, very cold to me is below 40 or below 50, so. Alright, and let's mix this up. You don't want to work it too much because you're not supposed to. And all you do is make some meatballs. I'm going to try and get them uniform to the same size, but as close as I can. Alright, I'm going to go off here and I'm going to finish rolling these out and I'll bring you back. Be right back. Okay, I got 24, 26 meatballs out of this. They got a little bit big, some small. And you're going to put them in the 400 degree preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. We'll bring you back. Okay guys, I got these out the oven. They stayed in there approximately 35 minutes and they are at 165 degrees internal temperature. With this we are having Brussels sprouts with prosciutto and creamed potatoes, which I will leave a link. I've already done both of these at the end of on the end screen. So let's get stuff going. Eat on the plate. Okay guys, we've got our chicken meatballs, creamed potatoes, Brussels sprouts with prosciutto. I want to thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, especially give me a comment of something you'd like to have me cook for you. Share it out on your social media. Let's get my channel growing. Alright guys, supper's ready. Y'all have a good one.